Hey, this is Brendan Perry, and here's my Redline 2.1. Okay, starting out up here. Animal Edwin grips with Haro bar ends. Odyssey mono lever, Tektro line. Leads back to an Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. Redline device bars, 7.5 rise. A specialized fuse stem. Can Creek headset. Redline device forks. Fly front rim, tend to contact, and a skull cap. Okay, 2.1 frame, Verde pivotal seat with a blue post and dyno clamp. Profile sprocket, KMC chain, Verde cranks, Redline pedals. It's been pretty good. And their sealed bottom bracket. Okay, now back to the back. A Maxxis Miracle tire with a X-Rim 3 Y303 rim with a Joytech hub and Odyssey A brake pads. That's about it. Please rate and subscribe.
And he has the skull cap. Go. Frame hop. Look at this. Hold up. Oh, here we go. Ha! Frame hop. Look at that. Oh. Woo! Woo! Do it again.
We need to take that camera into the